Hello everyone, my name is Roianne.Buystedt and I'm here in Junction City at Guarantee RV to show you this new 2020 Winnebago Navion 24G, or 24J, sorry. It is a corner bed unit. It's one of our brand new units, and let me take you on the inside to show you what it is. This is a diesel unit. It's got a Sprinter chassis, and this is just a regular Class C model with a corner bed, but it has a nice space and it's a very nice light model. You have your different kind of storage right here. These are push button open storage. Just press once and lift up. Storage goes all the way through. It is pretty deep, so you have good storage in here. On most of these Navions, you get this little piece right here that lifts up so that you can have some more leg room, and the table does turn sideways, so you have really nice seating in here. These two units right here turn around, and these two go on the top. They're booster seats so that you can lift up to the height of almost this couch right here. This is a double bed up here. These are custom shades that you can use to magnetize to your windows right here for privacy. Nice counter space. These are used for counters as well. Double sinks. TV right here, and you do get a microwave, convection oven, great storage for food, wardrobe. Does have a bar in here, so you can use this as wardrobe or kitchen storage. This is a sink right here, and your bathroom. Good size shower for such a small unit. Like I said, it's only 24 feet long. This unit has two TVs, one in the main area and then one right here in the bedroom area. And this is another one of our hot units, you guys. It's a Navion, and these are going fast. If you have any questions about this or would like to see it in person, please give me a call. My name is Roianne.Buystedt, phone number 541-636-7862. Thank you.